This applies to everyone on the planet. It also is one of the simplest ways to make money online because it doesn't require any selling, affiliate marketing, or social media followers, and it doesn't require any prior experience. All you have to do now is copy and paste some text, and if you stick around until the end of this video, you'll be able to get a lot more money because I'll show you 3 more websites where you can get money online. Hey there, and welcome to Business Reactor, the place to be for personal finance, crypto, and how to make money online. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell button to be updated with our weekly videos. Also, don't forget to press a like on this video and comment your thoughts down below. We love hearing them. Alright, let's dive right in. By the way, we're having a PayPal cash giveaway. So to those who want to win $10 in PayPal cash, keep an eye out for the dollar bill that we put somewhere in this video. Then like the video, subscribe, and comment down below the timestamp you found it in. So watch out and get the chance to win a PayPal cash prize. Alright, let's get back to the video. Alright, so let's begin here. So, I could show you how to use Google in order to get paid again and again. So if PayPal isn't available in your country or you don't want to utilize PayPal, all of this will take you less than 30 minutes. Then I'll show you how to choose from a variety of alternative payment choices. If you don't want to use PayPal, you can use other payment methods like bank transfers, Payoneer, and so on. Anyway, let's get started with step number 1. Please visit will.com. The second step is to conduct a Google News search. I want you to open Google News on the first official webpage, news.google.com, after you search for it. This is a site where you can obtain the most up-to-date news and articles on a variety of topics from across the world. It's similar to a newspaper in that you can find anything on it: politics, business, technology, entertainment, and sports, scientific news, history, and whatever else comes to mind. You'll find it on this website. So how are you gonna make money with this? How are you gonna acquire your free PayPal cash? Keep an eye out and you'll see how it's done. So, if you have all the categories on the left-hand side, you have international news, which is about what's going on in the world. You already have your own local news, which we shall ignore for the time being. Simply said, you want to concentrate solely on business, technology, entertainment, science, and in particular, health. For example, if I choose the health category, I'll be presented with all of the most recent news and articles on the subject. So, let's scroll through this page and see what we can find. So I'm interested in this article, which was recently just published, and it's a really nice article that a lot of people would want to read. So, you should go ahead and open one. Don't be concerned and don't worry. You won't have to write articles. There will be no need to sell anything. This has nothing to do with affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, or any other type of marketing. Simply open that article and begin copying content from it. I'll copy this right here. And then I'll move on to step number 3, and the third website we'll be using, which is Spinbot.com. Here, you'll need to copy and paste the article you discovered on Google. As a result, you can write the entire article in your own words, making it absolutely unique. You'll be able to use those articles on 3 other websites, which I'll share with you today. Those websites will compensate you for your contributions. Some of them will literally pay you $1 per word. As you can see, those articles can include thousands of words, so the math is simple. Anyway, once you've discovered the article, simply copy and paste the text into this box. Scroll down a little, then select I am not a robot, and click on this. That's gonna completely rewrite the content for you. As you can see, the context is nearly identical, yet the words are different. It's rewriting it in your own terms and utilizing synonyms, so you may duplicate the one-of-a-kindness. And we read an article, which you can get paid for using the next 3 websites. Eatingwell.com will be the first website we will use. As a result, you can contribute your own articles to eatingwell.com. You can contribute articles to this website and be compensated for your efforts. Rather than spending days producing those pieces, you can now utilize Google News and Spinbot. Before we continue, I want to know where y'all are from. Give this video a pause and comment down below what country you're from, because our viewers mean the world to us. and we appreciate every moment you spend watching our videos. Alright, let's get back to the tutorial. So, simply on this website, you may get paid up to $1 per word. How do you go about really submitting your articles for payment? You will only need to scroll down a little bit further on this page to discover this section where you can get their contact details. So, simply copy their email address, go to your inbox, and send them an email with the subject submission or article submission, or anything similar in the subject line. Simply connect the file to your own article that you wrote. They'll look through your email once you've sent it. If they like it, they'll ask for your payment information. You'll tell them that you want to be paid using PayPal, and you'll tell them your PayPal and email address, and then you leave your PayPal and email address. Simply add your bank details if you want to be paid by bank transfer. The same can be said for the other payment methods. Because news stories on Google News arrive every couple of hours, your options are virtually limitless. So you may use those articles, Spinbot rewrite them, paste them in a Word document, or store them to your computer and submit them to these websites. So in addition to eatingwell.com, you may now contribute articles to sierraclub.org. To submit your articles to this website, simply follow the steps here. To contact them, simply send an email to this address. So copy this and paste it to your email address. Contact information and subject line. Then enter in submission and submit your post. You will no longer be able to submit health and fitness articles to sierraclub.org like you did with eatingwell.com, but you will be required to post anything connected to technology or science. So pick up a science article, copy the content, put it into Spinbot, have them rewrite it for you, and send it to sierraclub.org's email address. Daily.jstor.org is the third and final website where you can submit your articles. You can learn more about how it works and see their submission rules. This website pays you a little less, but it's still a fantastic one to utilize because it allows you to earn some extra money while also maximizing your results. The best part about this website is that they only require 2,000 words from you and pay you roughly 31 cents per word. So while it's not quite as good as the previous two websites, it's still respectable at 31. The average rate of 31 cents per word is not bad, and the more articles you submit to these websites, the more money you'll be able to earn. Of course, not every piece will be accepted, but even if you get one every day, that's hundreds of articles. If it wasn't up to $1,000 a day, it was all completely free just by copying and pasting. You'll also have to wait way too long. This is something you can get started with right now. So let's summarize once more. You must go to Google News, select a category from the left-hand side, and then select the article you want to read. Copy the content from that article. Use Spinbot to make it one of a kind before submitting it. You can repeat this process indefinitely and earn a reasonable sum of money. I hope you found this video to be useful. And that's everything. Thank you for watching our video today. If you like these type of videos, don't forget to hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Comment your thoughts down below, and we'll see you again next time.